Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to get Roblox Studio on iPhone and clarify common misconceptions. Roblox Studio is a robust development platform built for creating immersive experiences, and it requires the power and interface of a desktop computer. You cannot directly download or install Roblox Studio onto your iPhone, as it is fundamentally designed for larger screens and more extensive processing capabilities. This distinction is crucial for understanding its core purpose. Developing on Roblox Studio involves intricate scripting, detailed model creation, and extensive testing, all best managed with a mouse and keyboard. Modern iPhones, while powerful, operate on a different software architecture than desktop systems like Windows or Mac OS. Trying to run such a demanding application on a mobile phone would lead to a very poor, if not impossible, user experience, making creation difficult and frustrating. While you cannot create games with Roblox Studio on your iPhone, the official Roblox app offers a fantastic experience for players. This application lets you dive into millions of unique games and virtual worlds created by others. You can also easily manage your account, purchase Robux, and connect with your friends directly from your mobile device. It is designed specifically for playing, not for building. Some people consider using cloud gaming services or remote desktop applications to access Roblox Studio from their iPhone. However, these methods introduce significant latency, making precise control and intricate design work incredibly difficult. The small screen size of a phone also makes navigating Studio's complex interface almost impossible for serious development. These are simply not viable solutions for dedicated creators.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.